Today I'm going to show you how to mark up a plain notebook with some kids' activities. You'll need the following materials. First, personalise the notebook by writing "this notebook belongs to" and any other information you might like to add. Right, the first game is the Codebreaker. Write a simple code using symbols like circles or squares to represent letters of the alphabet. Once you've written your code, write the first clue on the first page. The first clue will lead to a location within your house and garden. You'll need some cards to write other clues on that can be hidden along the route of the treasure hunt. If you don't have cards, you can use old birthday or Christmas cards or even the back of cereal boxes. Mark out a rectangle 10 cm by 5 cm and cut it out. You can have as many cards with clues on as you want along the route of the treasure hunt. Now all you have to do is hide the cards and get the kids code breaking. Now on to game 2, a monster drawing game, where the kids draw an animal on each page and then cut and flip to form a new monster or monsters. Draw a vertical line in the centre of the page. This is to centralise the animals. Then split the page into thirds and add a section of tape down the spine. This is to give strength when you cut the page into thirds. Repeat this on a number of pages, depending on how many animals you want to draw. Once the kids have created their monsters, they could write a story about them. They could then bring them to life by modelling them out of junk or even creating a storyboard. Leave enough blank pages for them to experiment and have fun with their story. The third game is designing their own treasure and then making maps to hide it. First, draw some circles on the paper. You can use circular objects to trace round to make this easier. Do this on a few pages. Then get the kids to draw their coins. Draw the front side, then cut them out, and then once you've got the cut out coin, they can draw on the back of the coin. Now you'll need some graph paper to draw the maps. If you don't have graph paper in the notebook, you can just stick some in. The kids can now use the graph paper to draw maps of your house and garden and then hide their treasure and mark it on the maps. That's the end of this activity book, but leave plenty of blank pages at the end so they can experiment and have fun. Thanks for watching.